So in our last HTML and CSS class, which I titled CSS Nested Element, we learned how to arrange things on a website, and I gave you guys an assignment to go and create a simple website and use CSS Nested Element to arrange things on the website. So I went ahead to go and create a simple version of youtube.com, and I arranged things just to show you basically how it works. Now before we jump into the details, if you are coming across this video, please, I beg you one thing, remember to give it a share and a thumbs up. With that aside, let's go straight to business. So if you look at this website, you will discover that this is a very simple version of youtube.com, a fake version of youtube.com, and this is how YouTube normally arrange things on their website. If you come here, this is the first one, is a video preview, and then if you come to the second div here, this is where the first div starts, and this is where the first div ends. So from here, another div starts from here, and in this second div is subdivided into two. We have another div here that contains the profile picture, and another div by the left, or by the right hand side of the screen rather, that contains the information about this video and information about this channel. So this is how YouTube normally arrange things on their website. Don't worry about these lines and these borders. I'm going to remove it in a jiffy just to show you a clear details on how things are arranged. So if you look at this website very well, this is a horizontal, sorry, this is a vertical layout. The first one is a vertical layout, and there are two vertical layouts here. The first one is the one that contains this video preview, and this is this one. Then the second one is a div that contains both the profile picture and the profile channel, or the channel information. So this second one is the one that is subdivided into two, which constitutes this one and this one. As you come inside this one, the channel info, you discover that this is the name of the video. Maybe this is just an example, and the second one is the channel name, and the third one is the video count. So basically, this is how things are arranged on youtube.com. So feel free to use this format to do or to create any design you want. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and remove all the borders around this, and we will go inside our Visual Studio Code to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove the first border around this container, and from here, if you come here, you will discover that this is the border around it. We have a solid border here, so I'm going to remove it, and we scroll down. Reaching to this point, we discover that there is another border here. Let's select this border and also remove it. And the last one is here. So we are going to also remove this border, or remove this CSS and delete it. Now let's save, hit Ctrl S to save, and if you go back to our real website, you discover that there are no borders now. So now things are now looking really like a youtube.com, but this is not youtube.com. So we are going to continue building on this project gradually. So in our next video, we are going to create a header. If you look at it very well, this header does not look like a YouTube header. I just create a simple version of this header. So in our next video, we create a proper header, and then we go ahead to create a footer if necessary. If you have watched this video to this point, please consider giving it a share and a thumbs up. See you in my next video.